Hello dear young learners, how are you all? A very warm welcome to your English class with your learning buddy Aprajita. And let's start a new chapter today, chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is The Dentist. Who is a dentist? कौन होता है dentist? Dentist is a person who takes care of your teeth when you have some problem in your teeth. Okay, so let's see what's there in this chapter. Let's warm up first. We are all familiar with stories of pain during tooth extractions. जब दांत निकाले जाते हैं, extraction means जब दांत निकलवाते हैं तो उसमें जो pain होता है सबको पता है. What happens when patients waiting at a dentist's clinic find the nurse go in with a hammer, pliers and a hacksaw? Why does the dentist require these tools? Find out. And what happens, क्या होता है जब बाहर जो लोग इंतज़ार कर रहे होते हैं डेंटिस्ट के यहाँ, डेंटिस्ट के क्लिनिक पे, वो देखते हैं नर्स को एक हैमर और एक हैकसॉ और एक प्लायर लेके जाते हुए. डेंटिस्ट को ये सब चीज़ें क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ती हैं? Let's read in this chapter here. So this is a play and here the characters are men 1 to 8. There are 8 men. Then a nurse is there. Women also 1 to 8. 8 women are there. Little girl, dentist and small boy. These are the characters in the play. When the curtain rises, the following characters are seated in a dentist's waiting room. जब curtain उठता है play में, what happens? When the play ends, the curtain falls. Again the play starts, the curtain rises. तो वहाँ कौन बैठे हैं डेंटिस्ट के वेटिंग रूम में? कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर्स बैठे हैं? Women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8. Some of them are reading magazines or newspapers. Man 4 has a rough bandage tied around his jaw. अब कुछ 8 men बैठे हैं और 8 women बैठी हैं और कुछ लोग मैगजीन्स पढ़ रहे हैं और एक जो मैन 4 जो है उसके जॉ के चारों तरफ एक रफ बैंडेज बंधा हुआ है. ही इज होल्डिंग द बैंडेज एंड ग्रोनिंग. दर्द हो रहा है उसको. ही इज ग्रोनिंग इन पेन. मैन 3, वुमेन 5 एंड वुमेन 6 आर जस्ट एंटरिंग द वेटिंग रूम. वुमेन 5, we'll have some time to wait before the dentist sees us, dear. Now woman 6, what she says, so I see. Woman 5, but I'll show you some of my holiday photographs to pass the time. So this woman 5 says that let's pass our time, and how to pass the time? She'll show some photographs. Now what happens? Man 3, woman 5 and woman 6 sit. Woman 5 takes a packet of photographs from her handbag. Throughout the play, she concentrates on showing the photographs. She is very eager and anxious to show the photographs. Now, man 5, what time do you make it, Jack? Man 6, almost 8:30. The dentist should be along any moment now. Woman 6, isn't it a dreadful hour of the morning to see a dentist? अब वो एक वुमेन बोलती है कि ये बहुत बेकार ड्रेडफुल सा डरावना सा टाइम नहीं है मॉर्निंग में डेंटिस्ट के पास आना. आई एम नॉट हाफ अवेक येट. मैन 5, आई होप ही वोंट बी लॉन्ग. आई एम गोइंग टू बी लेट फॉर वर्क एनीवे. मैन 6, समथिंग शुड बी डन अबाउट डेंटल आवर्स. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड सो and I'll go on saying so. Now enters the nurse. Nurse enter करती है. Woman 6, good, the dentist shouldn't be long now. Nurse को देखते ही जो woman 6 क्या बोलती है कि अब dentist ज़्यादा देर नहीं है dentist के आने में. Woman 5, and this is one of the boarding houses at Wadling on Sea, our boarding house. Those are the steps I fell up. We nearly died laughing. Now, woman 5 is busy in showing her photographs. Woman 6, it looks quite a nice place. Woman 5, oh, it was. The landlady was such a dear. Woman 5 shows another photograph. This is one of hers. एक लैंडलेडी की फोटोग्राफ दिखाती है. You can't quite see her face. You see, my finger got in the way, but she has such a nice face. Woman 6. I'm sure she has. Enter woman 7 and the little girl. Now woman 7 enters and उसके साथ एक छोटी लड़की भी है. Woman 7. Oh, do come along, Dorothea. Little girl. I don't want to see the dentist. I won't. वो छोटी बच्ची जो है वो कहती है मुझे डेंटिस्ट के पास नहीं जाना है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाना है. Woman 7. Now Dorothea, remember what your daddy said. If you won't have your teeth seen to, no more ice lollies. Now that woman says to Dorothea, that little girl, कि अगर तुम डेंटिस्ट के पास नहीं जाओगी, अपने दांत नहीं दिखाओगी, तो तुम्हें पता है ना डैडी ने क्या बोला है, इसके बाद तुम्हें कोई आइसक्रीम आइस लॉलीज नहीं मिलेंगी. Little girl, I don't want any ice lollies. The little girl is dragged to her seat by woman 7. She sits weeping. Man 4 groans loudly. Now see, this little girl, that woman 7 has brought that little girl and she is weeping. She doesn't want to see the dentist. Woman 4, here's the dentist. Woman 3, and about time too, enters the dentist. Dentist, could I have the first patient please? Exit dentist into surgery. Now the dentist is there and he calls upon the patient number 1. Woman, that's you, Joe. Man 1 and woman 1 stand. Man 1, yes, that's me. Woman 1, now make sure he pulls out the right one, Joe. Now this woman 1 says that Joe, just take care that the dentist pulls out your right teeth out. Man 1, I will. Woman 1, goodbye Joe, I'll wait for you. Exit man 1 into surgery. Woman 1 sits. अब वो जो man 1 है वो surgery के लिए चला जाता है. Woman 2, I believe the dentist is ever so good. Woman 3, yes, he took out 6 for Mrs. Johnstone and she never felt a thing. Enter woman 8 with a small boy. Now woman 3 is saying that this dentist has taken out 6 teeth of Mrs. Johnstone and she didn't felt anything. Woman 8, now Maurice, there's nothing to be afraid of. Small boy, I'm not afraid. Now the small boy says, मैं नहीं डर रहा हूँ. Woman 8, just a little pull and ever such a weeny tug and all the pain will be gone. Small boy, there is no need to treat me like a baby. I'm not afraid of a dentist. Now woman 8, who is the little boy's mother, she is trying to bring that small boy into ease and she says that just a little pull and all your pain will be gone. But the little boy says, don't treat me as a little baby. I'm not a baby and I'm not at all afraid of the dentist. Woman 8, now sit down quietly, Maurice, and I'm sure the nice dentist won't be long. Small boy, I think I'll get a magazine. I feel like reading. Now the small boy felt like reading something, so he goes for a magazine. The small boy goes to the table and looks through the pile of magazines and newspapers. Woman 8, all right dear, just as you like. Woman 8 sits. Have you ever been to a dentist? आप कभी गए हैं डेंटिस्ट के पास? वहाँ देखा होगा आपने डेंटिस्ट के क्लिनिक में और भी जो दूसरे पेशेंट्स होते हैं वो बाहर वेट करते हैं. So this is the scene of that only. Man 5, I'm going to ask for gas. I'll never forget the last time. Man 4, I know a chap once, he asked for gas. It was the last time he ever asked for anything. Now, the people are sitting there waiting for their turn to come और जब लोग बैठे होते हैं तो आपस में बातें भी होती हैं. Man 2, is that a fact? Enter nurse from the surgery. She walks across the stage and exits left. Man 4, I shouldn't ask for gas or any of these drugs either. It's unnatural, I say. Give me the old-fashioned methods. Man 5, you can have them. I'll have it without the pain. Woman 5, and you will love this one, dear. Woman 6, I'm sure I will. Woman 5, it's one of me riding a donkey along the sands. Now see, that woman 5 is busy in showing her photographs. She is not at all bothered that whether the dentist is doing the surgery or the man has gone for the surgery or that small girl is crying or that small boy is not afraid. She is not seeing any of these things. She is just busy in showing her photographs. Oh, I see, woman 6 says. Woman 5, isn't it a screen, dear? I sat on it the wrong way round, just for the laugh. Enter nurse left, carrying a large hammer. Now, again the nurse enters and she's having a large hammer. She crosses the stage and goes into the surgery. Again, she goes into that room where the surgery is going on. Man 6, what that a hammer she was carrying? Was that a hammer? Now he asks. Man 6, was that a hammer she was carrying? Man 7, I have seen dentists use some queer tools. Man 6, well, if it wasn't a hammer, I should be attending an eye specialist and not a dentist. Woman 5, I hope he isn't going to use it. Now they are afraid after seeing that hammer. Man 3, it's a peculiar thing to have in a surgery. That man says that it's a peculiar thing to have in a surgery. The sound of hammering is heard from the surgery. Everyone looks at the surgery door and then at one another. Now the hammering sound is being heard. वो सुनाई दे रहा है surgery room से hammering का sound. And now the people sitting outside, they are looking at each other. Woman 1 standing. Oh Joe, my poor Joe. Oh, what will I do? Now because Joe is inside the surgery room. Woman 2, I shouldn't worry. The dentist probably knows what he is doing. Now she says that dentist knows what he is doing. Woman 1, yes, but does Joe? Surely he is not hammering on poor Joe's tooth. Woman 2, now sit down and don't excite yourself. I'm sure Joe is quite all right. Woman 1 sits. There is no more hammering from the surgery. Woman 1 is about to stand, but woman 2 restrains her. Now, this woman 1 is becoming restless because Joe had come with woman 1 and Joe was inside the surgery room. Woman 2, there, dear. Do sit down quietly. Now, woman 2 says to woman 1 that please sit down quietly. Man 5, I don't like the sound of that. That means the hammering sound. Man 4, I shouldn't worry. These dentists know what they are doing, I hope. Nurse enters from the surgery and walks across the stage and out left. Everyone watches her in silence. Again, that nurse comes out from the surgery room. She walks in front from these where they are sitting, the patients are sitting. She walks in front of them and she goes out again. Woman 7, she didn't look very worried anyway. Woman 8, no, it's the patient who worries. Now woman 8 says, the nurse never looks worried, only the patients are worried. Woman 7, I say let him worry. Worry is natural. It never did anyone any harm. Woman 1, I wish you wouldn't talk like that with my poor Joe in there. Maybe writhing in agony. Now, because Joe was inside, so woman 1 said that you all should not say like this because my poor Joe is inside the surgery room. Enter nurse left. Again the nurse enters from the left. She is carrying a large pair of pliers. She walks across the stage and into the surgery. Man 4 groans and everyone groans after him. Woman 1 watches in horror. She stands as the nurse exits into the surgery. Now again, this woman 1 she just is very frightened and she stands up in horror that why that nurse has carried that plier with her. Woman 1, No, it can't be true. They can't do this to Joe. Not to my Joe. Woman 2 forces woman 1 back to her seat. Now woman 2 again makes her sit down. Woman 2, there, don't upset yourself, dear. There's nothing to worry about. Woman 1 starts weeping and sobbing. Now this woman 1, she starts weeping. वो रोना शुरू कर देती है. Man 4, nothing to what they used in the old days. I heard of a chap, once the roots of whose teeth were wrapped around his jawbone. He was 5 hours in the chair. Man 3, none the worse for it, I'll bet. There's a sudden screech of metal from the surgery. Metal screech, एक आवाज आती है surgery room से. Woman 1 gasps with horror and is about to make a dash for the surgery door when she is dragged back by woman 2. Man 4 groans loudly. The small boy and the little girl at the table start a fight about a magazine they both want. Now all these things are going outside the surgery room. Woman 8 and woman 7 attempt to separate them. Through all this noise, woman 5 is still trying to show her photographs. ये सब होने के बाद भी इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है, but जो woman 5 है वो busy है अपने photographs दिखाने. Little girl, it's mine. Now this little girl and the little boy, they are fighting on a magazine. Small boy, no, it's mine. I saw it first. Woman 7, sit down, Dorothea. Sit down and be quiet. I'll tell your daddy about this. Then there'll be trouble. Really, it's the last time I'll bring you anywhere. Little girl, see if I care. Woman 6, I wish some people would keep their children under control. Now this woman 6 says, while seeing these children fighting, she says that I wish that people should keep their children under control. Woman 7, well, really. At last the little girl and the small boy settle into their seats. अब वो लड़ना बंद कर देते हैं दोनों. They are both sulking. Man 2, there should be a special waiting room for children. After seeing this fight, the man 2 says that एक separate room होना चाहिए बच्चों के लिए. The metallic screech is heard again from the surgery. Fresh sobs from woman 1. This woman 1 is crying and crying. She's sobbing. Woman 1, I can't stand it. Oh, Joe. Man 4 groans. जिसके पट्टी बंधी हुई है वो फिर दर्द में करहा रहा है. Small boy, what was that noise, mummy? Woman 8, don't ask awkward questions, Mercy. Woman 8, repeating. Woman 8, don't ask awkward questions, Maurice. Man 7, I'll tell you, little boy, that noise was from a man having a tooth pulled out. That's how it's going to sound when you have your pulled out. Only much louder, because then it will be inside your head. Now, when the small boy asked his mother that what noise is coming from that surgery room, the woman, she says that don't ask these awkward questions, keep quiet. Then man 7 says, okay little boy, I'll tell you, मैं बताता हूँ कि ये क्या है. एक आदमी अंदर है सर्जरी रूम में और उसका टूथ निकाला जा रहा है, इसलिए ऐसी आवाज़ें आ रही हैं और ये तुम्हें पता चलेगा जब तुम्हारा भी टूथ निकाला जाए. Woman 6, what a thing to tell a small boy. Now this woman 6 gets angry कि ऐसे कौन छोटे बच्चे को बताता है. Man 6, disgusting. Man 7, I'll do the lad good. Bring him up natural, I always say. Small boy, oh mummy, take me to school, quick, take me to the school. Woman 8, take you to school? What on earth do you mean? Small boy, I haven't got toothache at all. I was only joking. I just wanted to get off school. Take me to school, mummy, please. Now see, everyone laughs. What happens after listening to that man? This little boy, Maurice, he says, oh mummy, I want to go to school. Please leave me to the school. Go, take me to the school. Now the mother says, what stupid thing you are saying? Why should I take you to the school? Then the small boy says, I was just joking. I didn't had any toothache. मुझे कोई toothache नहीं हुआ. मुझे तो स्कूल भेज दीजिए आप बस. मुझे नहीं जाना अंदर डॉक्टर के पास. मैं मजाक कर रहा था. मुझे बस स्कूल से ऑफ लेना था. स्कूल नहीं जाना था, इसलिए मैंने बहाना बनाया था. Woman 8, I'll take you to school, all right. Woman 8 takes the small boy by the ear. She drags him out. अब जो उसकी मदर है उस बॉय की, वो उसको कान पकड़ के उसका लेके जाती है. And I'll get the headmaster to give you a good thrashing. और क्या बोलती है? उसको कान पकड़ के लेके जाती है, कहती है अब मैं तुम्हारे हेडमास्टर को जाके बताऊंगी ये बात और वो तुम्हें अच्छे से थ्रैश करेंगे. Exit woman 8 and the small boy. The small boy is yelling. Man 5, a little discipline, that's what he wants. Woman 5 is still showing her photographs. Woman 5 तो busy है photographs दिखाने में. Woman 5, this one should make quite an impression on you, dear. There is a loud hammering from the surgery. अब surgery से एक बहुत तेज hammering की आवाज आती है. Woman 6, yes, it's done. Woman 6, yes, it does. Enter nurse from the surgery. Again, the nurse comes from the surgery room. Dentist's voice off. Do hurry, nurse, or we'll never get this thing shipped. Nurse walks across the stage and leaves. Man 6, well, really, I don't think I can wait. Now he says, I don't think I can wait more. Man 5, neither can I. I'll be late for work. Standing. Exit man 5 and man 6. Woman 6, but surely they can't really be using those tools to take out a tooth. एक टूथ निकालने के लिए वो ये सब टूल्स नहीं यूज करेंगे. Now see, all these people are sitting here. Woman 4, you heard what the man said. Woman 6, and those men have gone too. Man 7, cowards, every one of them, they can't take it. डरपोक हैं सब. Little girl, Mummy, I was only joking about my toothache. 2, I haven't really got one. I was only trying to get off school. Now see, this little girl also says the same thing. कि मैं तो मम्मी जोक कर रही थी, मजाक कर रही थी, मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना था, इसलिए मैंने टूथेक का बहाना बनाया. Woman 7, nonsense, Dorothea. You know your tooth is as black as the kitchen range. You're only trying to get out of it. Now, woman 7, who is the mother of Dorothea, she says that what nonsense. Your tooth is, तुम्हारा टूथ तो बिल्कुल काला हो रहा है. The little girl breaks into a howl. अब वो गर्ल रोने लगती है बहुत जोर जोर से. Man 2, I can't stand howling children. I am off. Standing. Now man 2 क्या बोलता है कि मैं ये ऐसे रोते हुए बच्चों को नहीं सुन सकता, मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am off. Man 3, and I can't stand them either. I am coming with you. Standing. Exit man 2 and man 3. धीरे धीरे सब चले जाते हैं. Woman 7, now see what you have done, Dorothea. You have chased those men away. Little girl, they are lucky. The little girl says, वो चले गए, बहुत lucky हैं. The little girl howls again. The nurse enters, this time with the hacksaw. अब उसके हाथ में एक hacksaw था, आरी जिसे कहते हैं. Woman 1, oh Joe, he'll never stand it. The sound of sawing always did put his teeth on edge. Man 7, this time the saw will be on the edge of his teeth. Woman 2, oh, you horrible man. Man 7, can't I even make a joke? He was just joking. He said, क्या मैं जोक भी नहीं कर सकता. Man 8, we need something to cheer us up. Woman 4, surely it's against the law for a dentist to use a saw like that. Now they say, this woman 4 says कि एक dentist का ये tools use करना, it's against the law. The sound of violent sawing is heard from the surgery. Man 4 groans loudly. Woman 1, oh no Joe. Woman 1 makes a dash for the door but is prevented from opening it by woman 2 and woman 6. Again this woman 1 वो अंदर जाना चाहती है सर्जरी रूम में देखने के लिए, लेकिन woman 2 और woman 6 उसको फिर से बिठा लेते हैं. Woman 3, you really must control yourself. Woman 2, there dear, I'm sure it's not as bad as it sounds. They place woman 1 back in her seat. उसको बिठा देते हैं फिर से. Woman 1, I'm not waiting to find out. I've heard enough. Woman 3, I prefer to keep my toothache. Now woman 3 says, मैं अपना toothache ऐसे ही रखना चाहती हूँ. Woman 4, so do I. Me too. Those pliers would never fit my mouth anyway. It's better than being murdered anyway, standing. Exit woman 3, woman 4 and woman 6. Now ये सब भी चले जाते हैं. Man 7, just watch them go, cowards every one of them. Now man 7 says, देखो ये सब डरपोक लोग जा रहे हैं. Woman 2, it's all very well you talking this way. You don't seem to have any nerves at all. Man 7, this is nothing to some of the things I have heard of. I could tell you things that would make your hair stand on end. There was once. Woman 2, I'm sure we don't want to hear it. My hair is standing on end already. The sawing is heard again, even louder and harsher this time. Woman 1 wails and man 4 groans. Woman 5, don't you want to see any more of my holiday photos? Exit man 8, well, really, how rude. Woman 5 moves to woman 7. Would you like to see some of my holiday photos? Now she moves to woman 7 to show her photographs. Woman 7, well, I don't really. Woman 5, now, don't be shy. Now this one is a bit blurred, but down in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. Woman 7 takes the offered photograph reluctantly and looks at it vacantly. The surgery door opens and the dentist enters. He looks very hot and bothered. He stands in the doorway. Dentist, I'm fed up with this. I'm off to get someone who knows something about the job. Now he says, मैं fed up हो चुका हूँ. मैं अब किसी को बुलाना चाहता हूँ जो इस जॉब के बारे में जानता है. The dentist strides across the stage and exits left. For a moment, woman 2, man 4 and woman 5 sit gasping. Then woman 1 wails as woman 2, woman 7 and the little girl stand and make for the door left. Man 7, this is the end. I'm off. There are cries of me too, so am I, here I go, etc. And all except woman 1 and woman 5 go out in a hurry. अब वहाँ कौन बचता है? woman 1 और woman 5, बाकी सब चले जाते हैं. Woman 5, well, really, people are very rude. Woman 5 looks at the wailing woman 1. Whatever is the matter, my dear? Woman 1, it's Joe, poor Joe. Goodness knows what state he's in now. Woman 5, Joe? Who is Joe? And what's the matter with him? Woman 1, I'm afraid to go in. I'm afraid to look. Joe's my husband and that awful dentist has been working on him. He is in there. Woman 1 points to the surgery. She says, woman 1 says to woman 5 that my husband is in there in the surgery room. Woman 5, well, I don't suppose he has come to any harm. Woman 5 sits beside woman 1. I tell you what, dear, you need cheering up. Here you just have a look at my holiday photos. They're ever so cheerful. Woman 1 breaks into fresh sobs. Now, this woman 5 again, after consoling that woman 1, she again comes back to the same thing that you just watch my photographs. They are very cheerful. Now again woman 1 starts sobbing. Woman 5, oh dear me, where's that very amusing one? Woman 5 looks through her photographs. I must have lost it. Ah yes, it'll probably be over there. Woman 5 walks across to her previous position and starts looking for the lost photograph. Woman 1 continues sobbing. Enters man 1 from the surgery. Now man 1 comes from the surgery room. Man 1, why? Whatever is the matter, Emily? Woman 1, Joe, are you all right? Let me look at you, Joe. Man 1, of course, I'm all right. Why shouldn't I be all right? Woman 1, but Joe, all that hammering and sawing. Man 1, oh, that was only the dentist trying to force open his instrument cabinet. Now see children, what a funny situation is this. When woman 1, जब woman 1 ने पूछा कि जो तुम ठीक हो, वो जो हैमरिंग और सॉइंग की आवाज़ आ रही थी अंदर से, तो मैन 1 क्या बोलता है, अरे वो डेंटिस्ट जो है वो अपना इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स का कैबिनेट खोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Woman 1, his cabinet? Man 1, yes, you see, he lost the key. Woman 1, so he hasn't done anything to you, Joe? Now, that woman 1 asks man 1 that Joe, उस डॉक्टर ने तुम्हें कुछ नहीं किया, उस डेंटिस्ट ने तुम्हें तो कुछ नहीं किया. Man 1, not a thing. And I can't wait any longer this morning. I've made an appointment with him for this evening instead. The nurse gave me some pills to deaden the pain in the meantime. And man 1 says कि अब मैं और ज़्यादा वेट नहीं कर सकता यहाँ, क्योंकि मैंने अब डॉक्टर के साथ, डेंटिस्ट के साथ शाम का अपॉइंटमेंट फिक्स किया है. बिकॉज क्यों, उसका कैबिनेट नहीं खुला था टूल्स का, तो वो कुछ वर्क भी नहीं कर पाया. और उसने बोला मैन 1 ने कि नर्स ने मुझे कुछ दवाइयाँ भी दे दी हैं. वुमन 1, oh Joe, I was so upset. Man 1, well, it's all right now, Emily, so let's go. Woman 1 and man 1 go out left. A moment later, the nurse enters from the surgery. She is walking across the stage when the dentist enters left. The dentist is waving a key. He has found the key. Dentist, I found it. Believe it or not, but it was under the telephone directory. What an awful waste of time. डॉक्टर को वो की, डेंटिस्ट को वो की मिल गई, बट डेंटिस्ट बोला कि कितना टाइम वेस्ट हुआ मेरा इस की वजह से. Nurse, I'm afraid the first patient couldn't wait. However, he made an appointment for this evening. Dentist, fair enough, I'll take the next patient. Dentist goes into the surgery. Nurse turns to woman 5 who is still looking at her photographs. Nurse, now madam, the dentist is ready. Woman 5 looks up. Woman 5, do you mean me, miss? Nurse, yes. Would you step into the surgery, please? Nurse goes into the surgery. Woman 5, dear me, that long queue did move quickly, didn't it? Woman 5 follows the nurse into the surgery. Now this woman 5, she doesn't knows anything. उसको कुछ नहीं पता कि क्या हुआ वहाँ पे. क्यों सब लोग चले गए, इतना लंबा जो क्यू था, she was sitting in a queue, सब लोग क्यों चले गए, what actually happened there, because she was busy in showing her photographs. And then the curtain falls down. So this play has been written by C.V. Burgess. Okay children? Here are some word meanings, let's read them. Boarding house, it's a private house where people can pay for accommodations and meals. Ice lollies, flavored ice or ice cream on a stick. Stick में जो ice cream होती है उन्हें ice lollies कहते हैं. Weenie tug, small pull. Gas is anesthesia. Scream, a person or a thing that causes you to laugh. Ferrying, to carry people or goods. Writhing, twisting and turning from side to side, especially in pain. Sulking, to look angry or irritable about something. Blurred, not dear. Fine children? Now, we'll do some comprehension. This is the OMR sheet. Darken the correct option in the OMR sheet. Dorothea's mother tells her daughter, if you won't have your teeth seen to, no more ice lollies. Her tone is critical, persuading, threatening, judgmental. So how her tone was when she said that अगर तुम अपने दांत नहीं दिखाओगी तो क्या होगा, तुम्हें आइस लॉलीज नहीं मिलेंगी. So her tone was threatening. Her tone was threatening. When the man says, "Was that a hammer she was carrying?" his tone is shocked, questioning, indifferent, excited. His tone is questioning. Now sit down and don't excite yourself. The excite as used here means motivate, provoke, disturb, agitate. It's disturb. Okay? Woman 7 takes the offered photograph reluctantly and looks at it vacantly. The word vacantly here means lifelessly, sympathetically, uninterestedly, coldly. Vacantly means uninterestedly. She was not interested in seeing the photograph. Now, next is fill in the blanks. Here are some words given in the box, children. Let's read them first. Dentist, ice lollies, gas, metal. Isn't it a dreadful hour of the morning to see a dentist? Write down dentist here. Okay? If you won't have your teeth seen to, no more ice lollies. The little girl's mother said this. I shouldn't ask for dash on any of these drugs either. I shouldn't ask for gas on any of these drugs either. Gas is anesthesia. There is a sudden screech of dash from the surgery. Sudden screech of metal. So we write down metal here. Say if the given statements are true T or false F. Woman 5 concentrates on showing her photographs. Yes, during the whole play she has done this only. So write down T, true. The dentist used to come at 10:30 am. Next is the dentist used to come at 10:30 am. False. The dentist was using hammer on Joe's teeth. क्या जो की teeth पे वो hammer use कर रहा था? No. False. The little girl and small boy were friendly. No, they were fighting for a magazine. So this is also false. Now let's move further. Now children, let's do some question answers. Answer the following questions. Why were the patients waiting in the dentist's waiting room? Why was man 5 getting impatient? The patients came to the dentist to show their teeth and they were waiting in the waiting room for the dentist to come who had not yet arrived. And man 5 was getting impatient because he was getting late for his work. How did woman 5 spend her time in the waiting hall? How did the other women react to her? This woman 5 spent her time in the waiting hall showing her holiday photographs to the other patients, and the other women reacted in somebody reacted in a good way, like they wanted to see the photographs. There were many women who didn't want to see the photographs and unwillingly they had to see them. What strange instruments did the nurse carry to the surgery? How did the waiting patients react to the resulting noises from the surgery? The strange instruments which the nurse carried was the hammer, the plier and the hacksaw. And when the waiting patients, when they heard the hammering sound from the surgery room, they heard the sawing sound too. So they just one by one kept on leaving from the dentist's clinic, because they were very afraid after listening to those noises, those sounds of hammering and sawing. Why did woman 1 panic more than the others? Woman 1 panicked more than the others as her husband was inside the surgery room who had gone. He was the first patient to go inside, Joe, whose name was Joe, and she thought that all these instruments are being applied by the dentist on her husband. Why was woman 5 not aware of what was happening in the surgery? Woman 5 was not at all aware of what was happening in the surgery because she was the whole time busy in showing her holiday photographs to the other patients. Now, the vocabulary. Think and discuss. Humor in writing aims to amuse or entertain the reader. Humor क्यों डाला जाता है? किसी भी आर्टिकल में, किसी भी कोई भी चीज़ आप पढ़ते हैं उसमें जब ह्यूमर होता है तो आपको और इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होता है और पढ़ने का मन करता है और एंटरटेनमेंट भी होता है. The characters suffer misfortune but the situation is humorous with positive outcomes. Bring out the humorous elements in the first patient. Suffix ist. So, okay, bring out the humorous elements in the first patient. The first patient, who was the first patient? Joe was the first patient, and the humorous elements was when he came out and he was perfectly all right, and when his wife asked him that why she heard all those hammering and sawing sound from the surgery, was it applied on you? Then Joe said this was very humorous for him. He said, no, all those things were not applied on me. It was a dentist who was trying to open his tools cabinet. Now, suffix ist. The word dentist refers to a person whose job is treating people's dental problem. Dentist कौन होता है? जो जिसका जॉब होता है लोगों के dental problems को ठीक करना. Often the words ending with the suffix ist denote a person who practices, is an expert in, or holds certain principles or beliefs. Suffix जो ist suffix यूज होता है जिस भी वर्ड में, वो किसी पर्सन को डिनोट करता है जो कि एक एक्सपर्ट है किसी चीज़ में या जो प्रैक्टिस करता है. Complete the given table matching the descriptions given in column A to their correct ist words in column B. A person who believes strongly in political or social change and takes part in the activities such as public protests to try to make them happen. Who is that person? उसे क्या कहते हैं? Chemist, tourist, stylist, harpist. So now children, complete the given table matching the descriptions given in column A to their correct ist words in column B. Column B में सारे ist words हैं और उनके descriptions जो हैं वो column A में हैं. We have to match to the correct one. Okay, let's start here. A person who believes strongly in political or social change and takes part in activities such as public protests to try to make this happen. That person is known as activist. Okay, so let's write here activist. Fine. An expert in scientific study of plants. जो साइंटिफिक स्टडी करता है प्लांट्स की उसे क्या कहते हैं? उस एक्सपर्ट को botanist. So write down botanist here. N-I-S-T. A scientist who studies the solid, liquid and gaseous matter that constitutes the Earth and other terrestrial planets as well as the processes that shape them. That person is known as geologist. So write down geologist. Okay. A person who studies physics or whose job is connected with physicist is known as physicist. P-H-Y-S-I-C-I-S-T. Physicist. Someone who visits a place for pleasure and interest, usually while on holiday. Holidays में कौन जाता है घूमने के लिए for pleasure and interest? They are known as tourists. T-O-U-R-I-S-T. Tourists. A person whose job is to arrange and coordinate food, clothes, etc. in a stylish and attractive way in photographs or films is known as stylist. होते हैं ना फिल्म्स में, स्टाइलिस्ट होते हैं जो कि हीरोइंस के फूड एंड क्लोथ्स एंड इन सब का ध्यान रखते हैं, what to wear they will eat, how they'll wear, in which attire they will move out. He is known as stylist. An author or writer of novels is known as novelist. Novelist. A scientist who studies the natural processes of living things is known as biologist. Biologist. B-I-O-L-O-G-I-S-T. Biologist. A scientist trained in the study of chemistry is a chemist. So write down chemist here. A person who plays the harp is known as harpist. It's an instrument, children. Harp is an instrument. So that person who plays it is known as harpist. Fine. Now let's move further. Antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are the opposite words. Okay. Complete the crossword by giving opposites of the given words. यहाँ कुछ words दिए हैं, उसके opposites हमें इस crossword में fill करने हैं. So, an interesting one. Let's do it. Across. Across means in this way, in this manner. Okay. And down means like this we have to write. So, across number 1 is this. Join or attach. Join करना किसी चीज को, और इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? सेपरेट, अलग करना. S-E-P-E-R-A-T-E. Separate. Wonderful. Where's number 5? Yeah, number 5. Wonderful. The opposite of wonderful is dreadful. D-R-E-A-D-F-U-L. Dreadful. Exit. Number 6. Exit. Enter. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. Attractive. Number 7. Here. Attractive. Disgusting. D-I-S-G-U-S-T. Disgust. T-I-N-G. Disgusting. Fine. 8. Noisily. Where is number 8? Noisily. Opposite of noisily is quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Okay. Now we come to down. We'll write downwards. Number 2. Forget. Number 2 is here. Remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Okay. Remember. And now next is number 3. Modern. Modern. Number 3. So the antonym of modern is old-fashioned. O-L-D. Old. F-A-S-H-I-O-N-E-D. Old-fashioned. Next is confident or unconcerned. Confident, antonym of confident is worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried. Okay, we have done the crossword here. Now we come to compound words. What are compound words? A compound word is made up of 2 or more words. It may be written as one word. Example, photograph. In photograph, photo and graph, it becomes photograph. As a hyphenated word also we can write the compound words. बीच में hyphen लगा के भी compound words को लिखा जा सकता है. Like ice lolly, ice hyphen lolly. Or as 2 separate words. Example, school bus. Fine, there are 3 ways to write the compound words. Let's see what's next. Read the words given below. Circle the words in each line that are not compound words. Now, in different lines, some words are given. Now, what we have to do, in each line, we have to circle. हमें उस word को circle करना है जो compound word नहीं है. So, in the first line, driftwood, building, low-key, lifespan. So, which one is not a compound word? Building is not a compound word. Okay? High-rise, 2 words, hyphenated word. Health club, 2 words हैं इसमें. Sunburn, this is also a compound word. Happiness, happiness is not a compound word. Weightlifter, it is a compound word. Open-ended is a compound word. Lightning and airport. Airport is again a compound word. Air और port मिलके बना है. But lightning is not a compound word. Monkey, beach ball, daughter-in-law, bow tie. Here monkey is not a compound word. Singer, know-how, cab driver, compound. Drive-in, compound. Know-how is also compound. Singer is not a compound word. Solar energy is a compound word. Candle stand is a compound word. Daydream is a compound word. Plastic is not a compound word. Fine, children? What next? We come to grammar section. We'll read about simple future tense now. In English, we use various verb forms to refer to future events depending on what is likely to happen or what is our plan or intention. अब क्या है, वेरियस हम अलग अलग वर्ब्स के फॉर्म्स यूज करते हैं फ्यूचर इवेंट्स क्या होंगे उसके लिए, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि क्या होने वाला है, व्हाट इज लाइकली टू हैपन. विल और शैल इज यूज्ड टू मेक एन इंस्टेंट डिसीजन. एग्जांपल, आई विल टेक द ग्रीन ड्रेस. अ प्रॉमिस, एक प्रॉमिस के लिए यूज होता है विल शैल. एग्जांपल, आई विल बी योर फ्रेंड ऑलवेज, आई वोंट लेट यू डाउन. An offer. Example, I'll carry your bag for you. Shall I help you with your homework? A suggestion. एक suggestion देने के लिए. Shall we go to see a movie today? A prediction. कोई prediction पहले से बताना कोई चीज. You'll love this movie. Now, going to is used for making future plans. Going to कब use करते हैं? जब कोई future plans बनाते हैं. My sister is going to join the army. अभी उसने army join नहीं किया है, but in future she will join. Intentions. Example, aren't you going to join the gym? Dad's going to buy a car. These are intentions. Present continuous tense is used to make future arrangements. Example, my sister is getting married to Akshay. I'm meeting the project manager this evening. I'm sorry, I can't meet you tomorrow. I'm visiting my friend. So these are all present continuous tense. Now complete the sentences choosing the correct form of the verb. 2 forms of verbs are given in the bracket. We have to choose the correct one and write. I dash work on my project tomorrow. I am going to work on my project tomorrow. Okay? I am going to work on my project tomorrow. Kavya dash join this school. Kavya will join this school. Kavya will join this school. Varun will or shall go for a picnic tomorrow. Varun will go for a picnic tomorrow. That's a good idea. I'm so excited. Dash to Darjeeling for our summer vacations. We will go or we are going. We are going to Darjeeling for our summer vacations. We are going. What are you dash to the party? What are you wearing to the party? Okay? What are you wearing? Or what are you going to wear to the party? No. What are you wearing to the party? Future continuous tense. Read these sentences given below. At 5 o'clock, I'll be meeting my friends to discuss our project submission. I will be meeting my friends. The sentence above is in future continuous tense. We use future continuous tense to indicate that the action is going to happen in an instant, all at once. It will have a duration. See, at 5 o'clock, I will be meeting my friends. एक ड्यूरेशन है कि 5 o'clock तक मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिलूंगा. The Lal family is together in living room right now. Given below are sentences describing the events about to take place at Lal household in an hour. एक hour के बीच में क्या-क्या चीजें होने वाली. Complete the sentences using the future continuous tense form of the words given in the bracket. Okay, future continuous tense. अभी हमने पढ़ा ना यहाँ future continuous tense. I will be, shall be. Okay. It dash in Delhi. So future continuous, it will be raining in Delhi. The verb is rain. It will be raining. Fine, use ing in continuous. Grandpa and grandma dash in their room. Rest. Grandpa and grandma will be resting. Will be resting in their room. Vihan dash football with his friends. Vihan shall be playing football with his friends. Vihan shall be playing. Fine, children. Uncle Dinesh dash on his presentation. Work. Uncle Dinesh will be working on his presentation. Will be working. Juhi dash to go out with her friends to the park. Juhi will be waiting. Juhi will be waiting. Will be waiting. And the last one is Aunt Asha and Aunt Ritu dash in the mall. Shop. Will be shopping. Will be shopping. Will be shopping in the mall. Fine, children? Now, speaking skills. Recall a funny incident that happened to you. Share it with the class. आपके साथ कोई भी ऐसा फनी इंसिडेंट हुआ हो जिससे कि सब लोग जो आपके आसपास थे वो खूब हंसे हो आपको देख के, आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो, वो अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए. Now, next is writing skill. Have you ever felt nervous before some event? Think about the event and how you felt. Discuss with your partner. Complete the notes using these hints. अब कोई ऐसा इवेंट जो कि होने वाला हो और उससे पहले आप नर्वस हुए हो. Maybe it's a debate competition, maybe it's a fancy dress competition or an assembly which you are conducting. तो उस टाइम पे आपको कैसा लगा? अपने पार्टनर के साथ डिस्कस कीजिए. The event, what it was, where it was held, कहाँ था, क्या था वो इवेंट, how you felt, your feelings, you have to discuss, what you had to do, क्या करना पड़ा था आपको. Write about your experience in 3 paragraphs. You can use the above noted in any order. Fine? Now, the values. We should always respect the words of our elders. We should rely on them. हमेशा अपने बड़ों का कहना मानना चाहिए, उनका रिस्पेक्ट करना, उनके कहा हुआ जो भी कहते हैं वो उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, इज्जत करनी चाहिए. एंड वी शुड रिलाई ऑन देम. हमें उन पे भरोसा होना ज़रूरी है. फाइन. So children, we end up with the chapter. I hope you had a great time. You enjoyed the chapter and just keep on learning and reading your lessons again. Please go through the lessons thoroughly and stay tuned for the next video, for a new video with me. Till then, we'll meet soon. Bye.